Alright, it's a great day to go fly. About to go, where are we gonna go today? Not sure where we're gonna go today. I got a friend Nico. He's gonna come. Gonna take the plane out here behind me, the 150, the mighty 150. And we're gonna go find a spot, maybe go eat some lunch or something and come back. So let's wait on Nico to arrive. I already pre-flighted the plane. And once he gets here, we'll see where we're going. Good to go.
What's the number here? 89er29er uniform.
Yeah, I'll get the come out about it.
You got it? You got it?
Yeah.
Alright.
And he's on open. Out of pop traffic, got a Cessna 29 uniform. Is going to be taking 15 for a northwest bound departure.
Alright, lights on.
Yep, alright.
Thing is going. This is good.
Cool. Alright, all lights on. Looks good.
Alright, runway 15.
Verified.
And we'll go full power.
Alright, extra set. Engine gauges are all in the green and airspeed is coming alive.
Traffic, Cardinal 830 is turning right crosswind for runway 15. Full stop, pop traffic.
Pop the traffic, Bucky 535, white and red Archer is turning right base for runway 15, full stop, pop the traffic.
This ain't no Cherokee.
It feels good though.
Hey, it's a nice little plane, you know. Not used to being this height coming all the way over here.
That's what I was gonna say. I was like, man, we're so low.
Yeah, 500 feet high. I'm gonna turn the landing light off. That's good. And we will just depart to the northwest here. Out about traffic, 29 uniform is gonna be departing to the northwest. Last call, Popka.
Traffic, Bucky 535, white and red Archer short line over runway 15.
Alright, looking good.
Yep. What's the heading you said?
310.
310. Alright, is there a checklist? Takeoff checklist? No, climb checklist. Flaps is up, airspeed is good, throttle is good, mixture is good.
Alright, so we're on the way to Cross City here. You got pilot Nico at the controls. Yep. Gonna see how Cross City is. Kinda windy today, but hey, we're getting through, right?
Yes, sir.
Sounds good, sounds good. Crossing over Ocala right now. If anybody ever goes to Ocala, check out Elevation 89. It's a good restaurant over there. Ever been to Elevation 89?
Never.
Some good food over there. You should check it out one day.
I will.
Still got 38 minutes. Damn, this plane is slow for real.
It is. It's so slow.
I felt like you took off an hour ago already. As a matter of fact, 16.4 is when we started.
Jesus.
It's almost an hour for real.
Oh my god.
Wow. Alright, we're gonna watch Nico's first time landing a 150 here.
Oh shit.
Coming in the runway 4 at Cross City. Alright, looking good.
Perry fully traffic. Terminal 441, my chopper is about 7 miles north of the old town.
A bit messed up, but
Any,
I'm gonna give it to you, cause I'll definitely say, you know, that was a good landing though.
at least I didn't destroy the...
Hey, for your first 150 landing,
I thought it was pretty good.
that's pretty damn good. I'll give you about a 8.5 out of 10
I'll
for that
take it, I'll take it. Thank you. Thank you.
Good, sounds good. Alright, we made it to Cross City. This place looks abandoned, but I'm just walking up to this FBO, seeing what they have inside. If they don't have anything inside, then just fly out of here. It's all good. How's it going, guys?
I actually own 150. Yeah. Yeah. I've been down for 2 weeks. But I've never flown it. Oh.
Time to leave Cross City. I don't know what kind of plane this is, but looks good. Alright, ready?
Yes, sir.
And Cross City traffic, got a Cessna 290 from, gonna be taking runway 13, gonna be a southwestbound departure, Cross City. Matter of fact,
Flaps.
yep. Alright, the airspeed is coming alive, engine cages are hauling good, everything looks good, looks green. And let's go.
Interesting.
Bro, I can definitely see how these winds are f***ed up.
Marion County Airport automated advisory. Wind variable at 4 knots with gusts to 18. Altimeter 3019er.
4 to 18?
God damn.
That's a big difference.
Alright. Let's see if I still got it.
Cessna 6864 Hotel, are you holding there?
64 Hotel, roger that. We've got a straight in traffic on 10.
10-4, thank you, I didn't hear that.
Yeah, what's on the runway? No, it's not a runway.
Trying to figure out why they're holding at a different runway when...
No, they're holding there basically because there's no taxiway.
Oh.
So they're just waiting for us to leave and then they'll
Gotcha.
cross in front of us.
Alright, I'm gonna drop time flaps here. That power car view's coming in. Marion County traffic, Cessna 290 uniform, short final 10. Oh, shit.
That's a tiny runway.
Yeah, for real.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is crazy. Like we dropping out the damn sky. Alright, come on.
Nice.
Alright, flaps up, car piece coming in. Yeah, cool. Alright, so we stopped in Marion County.
This one is getting so much more.
Yeah. So we stopped in Marion County. Got my boy Nico over here checking the fuel. Get some avgas. Trust me, I worked for that landing a while ago. Ooh. But let's see. Get this avgas right now. Be out of here, but guess what? You gonna end it here? That's all. Avgas. The hell is yes? Oh. Gallons. We need about do 18 gallons.